Good morning, everybody. My name's Charles. Everybody, well, my friends call me Chuck, as you can see here. This morning I'm going to show you how I make my keto-friendly coffee. It takes a few minutes to make. It's delicious and will keep you energized going for the first part of the day. So stay tuned and check it out. Good morning. This morning I want to show you how I make my keto coffee. I start out every morning with a cup of this. It's delicious. So I start out with 3 cups of strong coffee. I love my coffee strong, so I start out with 3 cups of strong coffee. Like so. Then from there, I'll add in a couple spoons of ghee. There we go, 2 spoonfuls of ghee. And when you go to the store, if you want to buy ghee, make sure that you buy the kind that does not have the coconut oil in it. The coconut oil and the ghee is not quite the same. Just get regular ghee. You can also substitute grass-fed butter for ghee, so you don't have to necessarily buy ghee. You can buy grass-fed butter at your local store. So I have the ghee added. I'll add in some ground turmeric. That's supposed to be good for your joints. You can see, just throw some of that in there. Once we added our ground turmeric, then we add in some MCT oil. You can also use coconut oil instead of MCT oil. I've done that in the past. MCT oil is just more purified. It's supposed to be better for you. Works great. I just go ahead and use that. Okay, just a couple squirts of that. If you're wondering where to pick up your MCT oil, I order mine off of Amazon when I get low on it, where I've got maybe a week's left. Just go ahead and reorder. I'll add a link in the description of this so you can buy directly off Amazon. If you don't mind, use my link for Amazon to buy your MCT oil. I'll get an affiliate commission, and by me getting an affiliate commission, you'll help buy me a cup of coffee. Now I've got all that in here. Put my lid on. And to mix this, I don't like mixing it by hand. It's harder to try to get it mixed properly by hand. So I use one of these bullets, pop it in there, press down. It's a little loud, scares the dog, but there you go. Now it's all mixed and ready to go. So from there, I just take it, add it to my favorite cup. Boom. And as you can see in here, it's got a nice foamy head on it. And that's what we want when we make our keto coffee. Add the lid, boom, you're good to go. Stays nice and warm. And you have a nice cup of keto-friendly coffee. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to the channel, like it, share it, all that good stuff. I would appreciate it. I will be making more videos here in the near future. So thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me. And I will catch you later.